to understand exactly what happened and whether it should have. Ryan Clancy is out front now, Democratic member of the Wisconsin State Assembly. He worked with Judge Dugan personally from 2020 to 24 when he was on the Milwaukee County Board of Supervisors. So, Ryan, I appreciate your time. Since you know Judge Dugan, it's such important context to understand what happened here. Are you surprised that the Trump administration was there, that they had ICE agents there for this, in this particular, very obviously specific case of one person there and ready to arrest her?
Absolutely. And I mean, those agents should not have been in the courthouse to begin with to serve what was an administrative warrant. And I want to be really clear here. When we're talking about an administrative warrant, we're talking about something that ICE puts together internally. It's like me walking around with a note in my pocket saying Representative Clancy can do whatever he wants. I do have one of those, but it doesn't mean anything, right? They did not present an actual warrant signed by an actual judge. So Judge Dugan was in her right in doing what she did. She didn't obstruct justice. She obstructed fascism in this case. Because
you're saying obstructing justice would be if this had been a court order signed by a judge, which it was not. So, you know, as
right,
you know,
right. Even in that case, it does not make sense. We should not have ICE agents in a protected space like a courtroom any more than you'd want ICE agents going into an operating room or a classroom. Those have historically been protected spaces that are off limits to ICE, and with good reason. You want people feeling safe and secure in a courthouse, either to come to their own trials or to testify against others. And this is really just an attack on the judicial system, which is historically a check and balance on unobstructed executive power. That's what we're seeing from the Trump administration.
Now, you worked with Judge Dugan, as I mentioned, for 4 years.